Hey everyone, you are welcome on your Overflow. Today we will see something we have created that is for IDOR testing. And this is a one kind of testing in cybersecurity. So this we are going to do with LLM, that is Cloud Opus 4.7, and in in a agentic way. So an agentic IDOR testing, IDOR scanner that drives a real browser via Playwright MCP. So what we are doing is tools will be from a Playwright MCP that will open browser, navigate on that, work on that, and decisions will be taken by LLM. Okay. So if you are planning to work using this tool, then your website needs to be more accessible, because it works, Playwright MCP works with accessibility tree. Okay. So here there are three parts. One is backend, another is frontend, another is vulnerable app. So the third one which I have created, vulnerable app, so that is actually for testing purpose only. So here you can replace with your own URL and work on that. This is a how it works, EACT UI, and here we will work on that. Then there is Django backend, and then this is going to do IDO test, and this is Cloud Opus 4.7 that decides. So this is Playwright MCP server controls real Chrome browser, try and target app under test. So this is prerequisites, setup and running the scanner, backend, then endpoints, then how a scan runs. So everything is there, you can go through. But first what I will do is I will try to show you how it works. So what I will do is I will go to new scanner. Here we have to fill all the fields. So like user A credentials, that is victim one, another is attacker one, another is like enable vertical IDO testing admin credentials. So this is the one is for admin credentials, and here we have provide endpoints. What I have done is I have data in JSON format, so I will just import using that. So what I will do is, this is the data in JSON format, so I will just take this and paste it here. Okay, and apply the JSON. Everything is done. Okay, so now again I will do is I will start the IDO testing. So this is started. Here we can see the logs. We'll see the backend is running. Yes, backend is running. Yes. So here we'll see starting Playwright MCP server. So 21 tools are available. Login in as user A. So it is performing for user A. Here you can see it is opening headed mode. So I am currently opening in headed mode to demonstrate, but you can run in headless mode as well. User A login was successful. Okay, user A cookies captured, collecting user A's resources. So I am using Cloud Opus 4.7. You can use any other model. If you want, you can use Sonnet one. That will be a little bit cheaper. And if you want, you can use other providers as well. For that, you will have to make the change in the code. Here we'll see user A resource user A resources collected from 16 points. So it collected all the user A's resources from 16 points. Now it will log in as user B and try to collect all information from that. So it is running, right? Here we can see logs, logs, all logs. Okay. User B login. Login was successful. Collecting user B's resource. Okay. It is still working, right? So this is a one kind of testing in cyber security. Yeah. Here we can see what it is doing as well. You can see what it is doing. It is still working. So it is fantastic application, but it takes time to run. Now it is generating IDOR test plan via LLM. Generated 56 test cases. That is amazing, right? And 135 edge cases. Total 191. It is going to do 191 tests. Amazing, right? Now it found one vulnerability that is high. You can see here. They found another one. I'm doing pause of this video. Later I will just start after it will finish, because video will be too long, right? So here it is completed 189 of 191, 190, then 191. 32 findings currently we can see. So it is showing some warnings. Endpoint may be accessible without auth. So testing. It is testing all endpoints, right? One vulnerability found. So currently we have 34 findings. Now it is generating scan summary. So scan is completed, and we have total 199 tests run, 34 vulnerabilities found, and now we can see all results here, and this is all results. And then we can see something findings here. So inside findings we have these things. So we can open one like this one. User B successfully accessed note ID 4 which belong to owner ID 2 Bob as evidenced by the response containing notes contained title Bob's to do and explicit owner ID field. This is a classic horizontal IDOR vulnerability where sequential numeric IDs allow an attacker to enumerate and access other users' private nodes simply by incrementing the ID in the URL path. So these are the things. This is horizontal one. So now after horizontal, let's see vertical one. So the endpoint API invoices one return the full invoice details, amount, this one without requiring any authorization. So this is the things. Yeah. So this is how we can perform IDOR test using LLM, using agent. So thanks for staying to the video and watching this video.